All right, this is our interior stateroom on Allure of the Seas. This one is it's considered a forward room, and it is stateroom 12139. It does have the configuration of a king size bed right now. However, if you are two singles traveling together, you can split it up into two twin beds. We've already been in the room, so we have the little stand here. We picked up our drink glasses because we're on the soda package. This is your welcome on board. It's your room keys that are found on your door whenever you come on board. It's not a super big room, but it is an interior stateroom and it is on the bigger side compared to some other ships. You've got a nice little seating area, a little table just in case you need to do any work or room service. And as you turn over here, you've got your additional mirror that you can get ready in, a little chair. So I plan on sitting there and doing makeup and stuff like that. You've got your TV. You do have some additional doors here, drawers for storage, and you've got your hair dryer, and then these are probably open also for storage. And then you should have in here your little cooler, little fridge, in case you want to store anything in there. And then you've got a nice big closet over here. Lots of space for hanging up items. Good thing to note is that cruise ships don't allow you to take anything for ironing, steaming, so it is absolutely essential to hang up those garments as soon as you get here, unless you want to pay for ironing services, which they do offer, but it comes at a price. You've got additional storages here, and then a safe that's fairly big enough to put probably like a mini iPad, anything like monetary jewelry, passports, all of that kind of stuff. So, and then over here you have your bathroom, and so you've got your sink area there, your toilet, and then a stand-up shower. I like the doors that Royal supplies on these larger ships because it absolutely keeps all of the water in. And just in case you're wondering, there is a hair and body wash on the wall. It is a combination, so if you're not a fan of that, you absolutely need to make sure that you bring your own. Aside from that, this is our home away from home for the next 5 days, and we're looking forward to it. So see you later.